तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? ये पापियों को हक नहीं कि लें परीक्षा तेरी, कि लें परीक्षा तेरी। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है, जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। तू आरती की लौ नहीं, तू क्रोध की मशाल है, तू क्रोध की मशाल है। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कपकपाएगा। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कपकपाएगा। अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा, एक भूकंप आएगा। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।
So please, take a team. And why are we here today? What is our motto? Anyway, to answer all these questions, I would request Nandan to come up on dais and introduce and brief up. Please take up the dais.
Now it comes that what is Visa 2023 and what is that Reka Shiksha Summit. So behind that, like, when we see into this, we see that our parents came here long back and they success here, they got settled here, and now they are in a reputed position. They have given a large contribution to the society. Then it comes to the next generation, which is we are. So what about us? So in that particular context, one day, even though I had this thing in my mind for a very long time, I joined Ellen Carey Institute in 2015, and that year itself, I came to our Samaj Bhavan and we introduced about the education to the system. But after that, for the past 8 years, it was going here and there, it was getting fading off. One person met me, and whenever he used to meet me, he used to say one thing is that, we people have done so many things to society, what about you? And then I told, one day I will have to do something. Because of that, you will get proud on your next generation. And then I met Mr. Vinod right now from Dharma. He also had same thought what I had. And then we got thought that okay, let's continue this particular process. Can we do something for society? And then he told from this side all the support will be there. Then we 4 people came to one particular group, and not very far. It was just in Holi. The last month Holi. We came here and the Vimalji was going back outside. And when he was going out, I just asked Vimalji that, Vimalji, you told that you do something. And Vimalji told, whatever you want to do, I am with you. We came back and we talked to our society president, Mr. Gumanji Lamia. And we told that on 10th of April, 15th of April, the 10th of state board exams are getting over. So why can't we have one particular seminar for this and on 16th of April? And then he told from my side all the facilities available for you. He gave the note to us, and after that we became a bit serious. That was the day that we thought that no. Now, till now whatever happened, it's okay. But now we have to become very serious. And then it comes that what name we should give to this particular group. So first we gave the name is called as Raika Siksha Jagriti, so much of younger sir. So I want things that Jagriti is the best suitable word for us. We are already enlightened. Correct now? Yes or no? Yes sir. So we all are enlightened. So what we thought is that what we can do ahead. So we just made one particular organization. The Samiti meaning in English is organization. So Raika Siksha organization has now called as Raika Siksha Samiti. After that comes what the name we should give. So that every Sunday we used to come. You won't believe? We are 15 people in this particular team. Can you show the particular Raika Siksha Samiti members of one image is there? See those particular people who have done too much of tremendous work to execute this particular program. So these are the 15 people who gave their books or books. They came here for meetings. Okay. They used to come in the evening time also. Okay. We called every day, Friday, Saturday. And yesterday night we were here till 12 o'clock. Friday we were till 2 o'clock. And then finally everything got executed. So these are the people. A big round of applause for them. And to be surprised, among these, only me is the one who is doing job. And Mahendra ji is have an LLB again here, he is attending his father's business. Neetu is doing LLB. And Naresh is doing UPSC. And Dr. Praveen is the son-in-law of Karmavas. He have done MBBS from foreign universities, and now he settled. So he came here and he gave this idea. He told that he is very much happy with this. So directly he cannot support, but indirectly he has supported us a lot. Every idea what we want, he told that you do this or what exactly can be possible for us. So now after 2 weeks of continuous tremendous exercise, we got multiple names for this particular program. And finally we came to a conclusion that what we want to do, we want to guide you about the program. So in that particular context, we gave the name is called as Disha. Disha itself is a direction. Surely this program is going to give you a lot of enlightenment. We'll talk about what you can do in your life, what will be your personal goal. Okay, so all those things will reach one by one. Surely this will help in your personality development. Okay, so with this, I will finish about the RSS that is Raika Shiksha Samiti, and the second one is Disha 2023. This is our first edition. And based on the requirements, we will again give, whenever you people record any particular guide, even though personally many of your parents or you have reached to me, but especially as a society, I never came in front of you. But now onwards, I am ready for any particular thing, whichever you want, in terms of guidance. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
These thank students achieve their dreams. With this busy schedule, he has made an opportunity for us. Let's get some knowledge from him.
Not enough. Very good morning. Good morning, sir. You have to maintain the same energy for next 3 hours. First, you should show enthusiasm. Automatically, speakers will get all the energy. Okay? You have to be enthusiastic. You have to listen carefully. Then the speakers will deliver everything for your future. Why all of you are sitting here? Why all of you are sitting here? You have any idea? For guidance. One. Any other idea? You are here for guidance. Okay. Any other idea? You are here to learn about different options that are available for your future. Which group is better for you in education? And how you can fix your goal. When you fix your goal early, automatically what happens? You will definitely achieve it. The one who fixes their goal early definitely will have better chances of getting to it. Because you will have lot of time to work on. What we are going to do in this session is how to fix goal, what are the different options available after 10, what are the different options available after +2, what are the different options available in graduation, how to have a successful career, how to improve your skills. We will be focusing on all these aspects. Okay, let's start the session. And this session we named it as Study and Career Counseling. Before I start this session, I would like to tell everyone to read this. Please read this once. Read it louder. Start. Education is not about getting marks. It is not about learning facts. It gives you an opportunity to think in a better manner. The difference between an educated person and normal person is, educated person can judge things better. He will have clear idea about what is good and what is wrong. Most of the decisions taken by him will be based on happenings all over the globe. He will have better thinking abilities to judge what is good and what is bad compared to a person without education. Okay, let's move to next slide. Read this. The more you learn, the more you earn. Your learning capacity decides your earning capacity. Even if you take example of your parents, even if they are in business, what they learn every day? Every day they will have different experiences with customers. Every day they will have different experiences with wholesalers. That experience will help them to do business in a better manner. That will help them to learn to earn even in a better way. In the similar manner, when we take education into consideration, the more skills you have, automatically when you have more skills, you will have better options. Instead of searching for one job, you will have multiple options to choose. Companies will wait for you. When you have 10 to 15 skills with you, companies will wait for you. You will choose the company of your choice. Instead of applying for a company, companies will wait for you. This employee must join us. The employee with the good skills must join us and he must help us to take the company to higher level. Instead of searching for a job, if you learn better, if you develop your skills, companies will wait for you in queue. You can tell them, I will not join. I am not interested. You can fix the company you are going to join when you learn better, when you develop your skills. Okay? So let's move to the next slide. So, we have an example from Karnataka. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Where he studied? Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal in Karnataka. Now he is Chief Executive Officer of one of the biggest companies. If you turn on computer, you will see Windows. Almost 90% of computers that are operated today are running based on operating system called Microsoft. The head of Microsoft Asia, a student from Karnataka, and he is Satya Nadella, studied in Manipal Institute of Technology. This gives you an example that you can reach any position. Now you are sitting here. Maybe after 5-6 years, maybe you come here and you will deliver a speech to students similar to you. All of them will consider you as role model if you are successful. Okay? I expect many of you to come here in future. I expect many of you to become highly successful in future. Let's move to next slide. Bill Gates, a dropout from Harvard University, not completed his graduation. Even though he was a student of top university, he did not complete his graduation. He was a dropout. But he is one of the richest person in the globe. How it is possible? Even though he failed and even though he was a dropout, he had very good friends in Harvard University. All the toppers of Harvard University and all the toppers of his class were friends of Bill Gates, and all of them became employees of Bill Gates, and they worked for development of company, and fruits were given to Bill Gates. Having good friends, this example gives an idea about having good friends. When we have good friends, when we have people who are thinking in a better way, automatically our progress will be better. Even though he was not successful in studies, he had good friends. Those friends helped him to achieve success, and now people all over the globe are talking about Bill Gates. He was a student from Harvard University, one of the top universities. Okay, so next slide. A person from Tamil Nadu. Now, whatever we said, Google Maps, how I reached to this location? How many of you reached to this location? What maps do you use? Google Maps. Who was the main person behind it? Sundar Pichai. Today they are taking technology to next level with the emergence of artificial intelligence, with the emergence of language processing systems. Now the technology is going higher and higher. The first company that is bringing all these to people at free of cost is Google. Who is heading the company? An Indian is heading the company. He never expected that he will reach that position. But he continued his desire of skill development. Even today he is learning. Even today he is developing skills. Even today after getting crores of salary per day, his salary is in crores per day. Still he is learning. Still he is working. Still he is developing his skills. And still he is trying to provide technologies that will make society to live in a peaceful manner and enjoy all the advantages. Next slide. Student of Harvard University. He also started a business. He also developed an application called Facebook. And by using his friends from Harvard University, now he is also one of the richest person. All these examples I considered to give you an understanding about the importance of studying in a good college. When you study in good college, you will have good professors. They will guide you better. When you study in good college, you will have good friends with great mindset to develop and to go higher and higher. What happens automatically when we sit with people who are trying to go higher and higher, they will also take us higher and higher. When you hold hand with a person who is trying to go higher and higher, what he will do? When you hold hand, it becomes compulsory for you to travel with him. Automatically, when the person reaches a greater height, you will also have better chances of reaching higher and higher heights in your life. Next one. So next one. Abdul Kalam, from a poor family, he became President of India. He was a student of Madras Institute of Technology, an autonomous college of Anna University. So if you see all these examples, you take example of Bill Gates, Sundar Pichai, or Satya Nadella, Abdul Kalam, and you will also listen to different great personalities from the community. All these people had great desire to develop skills. All these people had great desire in doing something to society. When we think about doing something great, what happens automatically? We earn more. They started their life, what Abdul Kalam did. He wanted to give something for nation. Today, people all over India are respecting, nobody considering religion, nobody considering community, race, caste, nothing. When you become great, all these barriers will go away. Everyone starts respecting you. So it's important to have good goal in life. You have to think up to the highest level in life. Don't think at lowest level. Set your goal at highest level. If you don't achieve it, if you achieve at least 70% of it, you will become highly successful in life. But if you don't fix your goal early, it creates problems. When a student of 8th, 9th, 10th or plus 2 fix a goal in early days, it gives lot of time to develop skills. For to crack every exam, what we need. Suppose many students here, how many students here want to join engineering? Please raise your hand. How many of you want to join engineering? How many of you want to go for medicine? How many of you want to go for like IAS, IPS? Good. How many of you still have no idea about goal, what you want to become? How many of you still to fix their goal? How many of you yet to fix your goal? Please raise your hand. Right. This session will definitely help you to fix your goals. What you should become. What are the options available? What kind of salaries you get? What kind of respect you get from society? That all you are going to learn today in this session of study under Canadians. They came over so many struggles, now they are highly successful. You will also listen to all these people from the community, they higher and higher. Next. So, what is the session about? What are the options available after 10th class? It is a very good exercise, please rise. How many of you from plus 1 and plus 2? How many students from engineering? Raika Shiksha Samiti for arranging this program. So if you take many people who are sitting here, many elders who are sitting here, many of them never had this much of knowledge. At your age, even I never had this much of knowledge when I was in my 10th or plus 1 and plus 2. When you have good knowledge about what you are going to do, what you can do in future, automatically you can plan in a better way. Compared to others, this program will definitely give you a clear direction. This program is after 10. What are the options available after graduation? We will be focusing more on what are the options available after 10 and what are the options available in engineering, what are the options available beyond engineering, also we will discuss. And post-graduation, as many students are here from 10th and plus 1, plus 2 background, we will be focusing less on other factors. Let's go to the next one. So generally, 10th is a crucial point. When you consider studies, when you consider career, why 10th plays a crucial role? Any idea? Why 10th is so important for studies? Why 10th is so important for career? Can anyone guess?
Base of career.
Yes, please get up and answer it.
Base of career.
Yes, sir?
Base of our life, base of our
Yes.
career.
From here, your specialization starts. From here, your specialization starts. Till 10th, we study languages. Here, when you have clear goal, what you want to become, then This will definitely help you to reach that position. So, what are the general options available to us after 10? We have science stream, we have art stream, and we also have commerce stream. These are the three major options available to us. When you go for science stream, you can go for graduation in science courses, you can go for engineering, you can go for the foundation required for appearing civil service examination will be better. So otherwise you have to spend 2 more years. To get that foundation, you have to work more on history, you have to read it again. After completion of your plus 2, you have to read it separately. But when you choose these courses, it becomes very easy to go for civil service examination, and cracking civil service examination will be very easy when you go for art courses. When your goal is in this journey of success, many of you and all of you will become successful. For sure, because you came here, you are showing interest to learn and decide about your goal. Here in this journey of success, you will make so many mistakes. After every mistake is a learning opportunity. We have to use every mistake as stepping stone for success. And you will face different obstacles, physical barriers, psychological obstacles, because all of you will have a clear goal. All of you should have clear goal. No obstacles can stop you. Definitely, all these obstacles, all these mistakes will help you to grow better and better, and finally, you will reach the success. Even though you face a failure, even though you face a mistake, don't think about it. Learn from it and move forward. Mistakes are common in everyone's life. Everyone will do mistake, but the one who learns from mistake, the one who try to take that as an opportunity to become successful, important entrance examinations we have after completion of science courses. Mahinder sir will give you clear idea about courses based on medical and paramedical and all. I am focusing only on engineering and science background with BSc and all, right? Top entrance examinations for PCM. JEE Mains and Advanced. We have 2 levels, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, which allow you to get admission into 23 IITs and 31 NITs. These are top educational institutions in India. Once you get admission into these colleges, your life is settled. Companies will stand before you in queue. Instead of searching for a job, 10 to 15 job offers will be available. You can select the best option. And all India entrance examination for design. If you are interested in business also, these courses will definitely help you. If you are an IITian, what it will give you? It will give you a huge circle of intellectuals who think at a greater level. When you interact with people with great skills and great abilities, when you interact with people with great future, thinking about the future in a great way, automatically all those ideas will help you to grow even higher and higher. We have an institution in Pilani, Rajasthan, Birla Institute of Technology and Sciences. Now we have so many branches all over India. To get admissions into Birla Institute of Technology, you have to write BITSAT. Once you clear that, you will be getting admission into best universities. These are top universities after IIT, which will help you to get admission into central universities, graduation, undergraduation, post-graduation. We have universities which are under control of central government. To get admission into top colleges, you have to write CUET. Next one. So these are other entrance examinations like IPMAC. This is a 5 years integrated program by IIM. What is this? Indian Institute of Management. Many people who are sitting here, even after completion of your education in IIT, even after completion of your education from top engineering college, even after completion of education from IIM, you can start your business. You can run business. I can guarantee you, if you start business after coming out of IIT or top engineering college or any other top university, your results will be lot better compared to any other person who is running the same business. You will use technology in a better way. You will have great skills of making decisions. Even though your business interest is towards business, definitely the knowledge from top educational institutions will definitely help you to take business even higher and higher. Indian statistical institutions. Today, most of the decisions all over the globe are taken based on data. Data is very crucial, isn't it? What is data? Facts. How many students are coming here today? How many students are from 8 to 10? How many students are from plus 1 to plus 2? How many students are from engineering? How many students are trying to go for civils? All this is data. Based on data, we take decisions in a better manner. The statistics allows people to take decisions in better manner. All the companies all over the globe are dependent on data. The data is analyzed by Indian Statistical Institute, the students. If you take all the top companies all over India, majority of employees who are working on data, who are analyzing on data, they are from this institution. They are highly paid. Very less work, highly paid. When you have great skills, what will happen? The amount of sweat that comes out of your body during your education will remove your tears in old age. The more you work, the more hard work you do at early age, that will reduce your tears. The sweat that goes out of your body will reduce your enjoyment. Lifetime respect you will enjoy, and you will have enough money in your pocket. Along with respect, you will not get money. When you complete your education, even after education, if you start business, you can do job, you can do business. Nobody will stop you to do business if you are doing job. 8 hours or 9 hours you will work. Remaining time you can spend on your business. Money from different sides. The national aptitude test for architecture. Today, if you see Bangalore, you can see big buildings everywhere. Who are responsible for designing all these buildings? Civil engineers. The people who study in top colleges like Indian Institute of Architecture and all. Next one. So these are other entrance examinations we have for PCM. Next question. These are the different courses. But don't think that only CS will give better position. Don't think that only EC will give better jobs. Don't think that IT will give better jobs. If you can top any course that you take, you will be highest earning person in that particular course. So if I go for EEE, electrical and electronic engineering, if I can top it, if I can develop a new technology that is not all present in society, I will be getting the highest salary. Whatever course you choose, whatever work you choose, try to show your superiority over others. Try to become supreme in the particular field. When you show your skills to learn more, when you try to become successful, when you try to reach the top, examination, joint admission test. Okay. The joint admission test for IITs will allow students to complete their post-graduation after BSc or other courses in IITs. Only students, many people don't know about all these options. They don't know about the admission test for post-graduation in IITs. Even though you don't get admission into IITs after plus 2, you can still study in IIT by taking any course of BSc. You can write job and you can get admission into IITs and you will have better career after this. These are the different options available. Beyond engineering, these all options will also allow you to go higher and higher. Even though you are not a student of IIT, even though you are not a student of any top engineering college, if you can excel in any one of these options, your career will be better. Next one. So what exactly goals will do? When I started session, I explained about importance of setting a goal. What goal setting will do? Goal setting will push you out of your limits. You cannot enjoy your freedom. When you sleep, what will come to your mind? Your goal will come to your mind. Goals expand your skill set. I want to become a doctor. So you study more, you will spend more time on botany and zoology. If your goal is to become IAS and IPS, you study more geography, you study more economy, you will learn better than others because you have a goal. When you have goal, your skill sets expand higher and higher. It increases your knowledge. Push your comfort zone. Because when you have goal, when you have desire to achieve it, you cannot sit freely. But because that goal will push you. That goal will tell you, work hard. You have a goal, you should achieve it. So the goals will improve your skill set, they improve your knowledge, and they will push you out of your comfort zone. And finally, you will have better career by fixing a goal. That is why fixing goal early will definitely help you to reach a higher heights. So these are the options available after your art. I think after arts, after choosing the arts as course in graduation, you will have all these options in post graduation. Next one. Next one. So these are some of the options here after choosing commerce. You can go for MCom, you can go for MBA, you can go for MCA. All these courses are also high paying jobs. All these courses will help you to grow higher and higher. Next one. So as we have very limited time, I am not spending too much time on explaining each and every course. If you have any doubts, you can take the number on all these PPTs will be shared with you also. Okay. These are the top universities. These are the top universities of the globe. Stanford University, University of California, University of Oxford, Columbia University. When you get admission into these top universities, you will become one of the best paid person on the globe. Next one. How to get it? You have to write SAT exam. You have to write the SAT exam to get admission into colleges of US. You have to clear IELTS when you try to go for graduation or post-graduation courses. You have to go for IELTS. You have to go for GRE when you are trying to get admission into University of UK. Go forward. So which exam is required for graduation in UK? GRE. So if you check the tuition fee from top universities of the globe like Stanford University, annual tuition fees around 20 to 25 lakhs. And if you take Columbia University, it is 22 to 28. Almost all the universities are charging between 10 to 30 lakhs per year. When you go for graduation in these courses, 1 crore to 1.5 crores of minimum expenditure and other expenses will also add. It will be around 2 crores to 3 crores. Top universities all over the globe, majority of these universities are charging tuition fee from 20 to 30 lakhs. What exactly IELTS exam is? This is International English Language Testing System. When you try to work in foreign companies, when you try to get a job in different countries all over the globe, what is the common criteria? Your English speaking capabilities, your English understanding capabilities will play a major role. Here, your listening skills will be tested, your reading skills will be tested, your writing skills will be tested, and your speaking skills will be tested. Your pronunciation, your clarity, all these areas will be tested. Next one. So next one. I told you already, GRE is the entrance examination for getting admissions into top colleges of UK. So to achieve all this, from time to time, motivation is required. You have to motivate yourself on a regular basis. You have to talk to your parents. You have to talk to your guides. When you do all this, automatically you will have better chances of going higher and higher. Never say, even though it is very difficult, just give a try. If you don't try it, if you say no, it is not acceptable. Give a try. Try to your limits. Then, if you say no, it's fine. But without trying, without showing effort, never say no to anything. Never say I cannot. Definitely you can and you will. And you have infinite power. All the power is within you and you can do anything. It's all about self-motivation. It's all about self-awareness. When you have self-awareness, when you have self-motivation, you will definitely reach success. Next one. So these are the top colleges from India. Based on NIRF rankings, the top college in India is IISc Bangalore. Next we have few IITs and NITs. So these IITs, NITs, IIMs, ISCs, once you get admissions into these colleges, your life is settled. I will give you one example of my student. One of my students in 2016 got a job in Microsoft with a package of 1.2 crore per annum. Studied in IIT Bombay, 1.2 crore per annum, starting salary at the age of 20. Now he is earning 20 lakhs per month. Now his age is 23 years. Think about his earnings by the age of 30. How much he will earn? Per day he will earn at least 1 crore. How much Sundar Pichai and Sachinandra are earning per day? They are earning in crores. Per month, their earnings are around 100 crores to 200 crores. Per year, they are getting profits of 700 to 800 crores. Whatever profits they are earning, Google is earning, they are getting share of it. So in this manner, don't think that you cannot reach that position. Develop your skills regularly. Work on your skills regularly. Have a fixed goal. Push out of your comfort. Come out of your comfort zone. Work harder. Definitely, people will talk about you in the same auditorium. People will show your picture. People from our community reach to this point. Now he is earning this, he or she earning this much. Now he is working as IAS officer, IPS officer. Now he is head of that company. People will definitely talk about you. Just see your future. Imagine yourself in that situation. And definitely you will achieve it. And GATE is an admission test to go for post-graduation after graduation from any college. Any graduation is enough to appear in GATE, and you will be also get chance to complete your MTech and other post-graduation courses from IITs and top universities all over India. Next. CAT. If your interest is towards business, this is the best course. Best admission test. Indian Institute of Management. How to manage people. How to manage business. You will meet with great intellectuals. You will meet with students from great business families all over India. They will share their ideas. You will share your ideas. Your business will go next level. Or in the company you work, you will take that business to next level. When you get admission into Indian Institute of Management, to get admission into Indian Institute of Management, you have to write entrance examination called CAT. Next. Aeronautical engineering. If your interest is to develop technology related to flying, or rocket, or jet, aeroplane, helicopter, if your interest is to develop these kind of missions, we have to go for aeronautical engineering or aerospace engineering. Next one. Aeronautical and aerospace. Within atmosphere, beyond atmosphere. Up to 18 kilometers, we call it as atmosphere, right? Up to 18 kilometers, we call it as atmosphere. Aeronautical engineering, focus on missions which run below 18 kilometers. Aerospace, directly going to other planet, landing on other planet, working on development of missions. We will focus on aerospace engineering. These are the major difference. This is the major difference between aeronautical and aerospace. 35 to 40 colleges all over India are providing these courses. If your desire is to fly, if you want to become a pilot, you should have minimum age of 17. From 17, you should go for student pilot license first. After student pilot license, you will get private flying license. After that, you will get commercial flying license. When you have 1500 hours of flight, when you complete the 1500 hours of flight, you will get commercial flying license. You can apply for a job in airline. They will give you training and you can become a pilot. First, it starts with student flying license. Then it ends with commercial flying license and a job in airlines. Next one. How these ranks are given? Based on facilities available, based on jobs available to students, based on structure of course, based on all this, NIRF rankings will be given to educational institution. When you get admission into any college, you have to check its NIRF rank. What are the facilities available? What are the qualifications of staff? How much experience they have? What kind of job opportunities are available to us after completion of the course in the particular college? These are the top engineering colleges in India. And based on 2022 data, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, admission into these colleges, minimum salary of 24 lakhs per year, 2 lakhs per month, minimum salary. If you can top your course, 1 crore, 2 crore, by the time you complete your course, 4 crores per year, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs per month. I will give you one more example about a doctor. One of my uncle was admitted into a hospital in Hyderabad Jubilee. It's called Star Hospital. When I visited the hospital, I found a doctor named Gopi Chand. Regularly, on daily basis, he goes for 10 surgeries. You know, bypass surgery is very costly. He charges 1 lakh per surgery. Daily, 10 surgeries. How much he is earning per day? 10 lakhs. Even after paying the 1 lakh, the people consider him as God. He is charging money. Even after paying 1 lakh, people are considering him as God because he is also saving the lives. So that profession, doctor profession is a profession which will allow you to save lives and more. Okay, next question. These are the top engineering colleges of Karnataka: NIT Surathkal, Visvesvaraya Technology University, Belgavi, MIT Manipal. We discussed about example of Satyanarayana. These are the top engineering colleges from Karnataka. Next. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. The technologies you develop, the contribution that you make to society that can change the world. We have to be 5 minutes. These are the top medical colleges in India. You will get all the details after completion of speech. Next one, sir. These are the top medical colleges from Karnataka. Let's move forward, sir. These are the top arts colleges. These are top arts colleges in Karnataka, top commerce colleges in India, and let's move forward to last slide. Let's move. These are top colleges. So, if your goal is to get a government job, these are the common subjects: reasoning, mental ability, quantitative aptitude. You should be good in mathematics and arithmetic. You should be good in general studies. Overall, all the subjects from 6 to +2 and English. These are the 4 terms. These are the top paid government jobs. If you are a Group 1 officer, you will be controlling the total district. After collector, you are the topmost officer. If you are a Group 2 officer, you will be controlling Tahsildar, MDO, Mandal level control. You will have Mandal level control if you are Group 2 officer. Total Mandal will be operated by you and it will be under your administration. Bank POs, SSC, CCL, RBI jobs, these are high paid jobs. You will get salaries above 1 lakh. What government jobs will give you? Government jobs will give you great flexibility. Next one. So everything is easy when you are busy. When you keep yourself busy, everything is easy. But nothing is easy when you are lazy. When you are not ready to work. When you are not ready to work for your own goal, you will not reach that goal. So everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy. Nothing is easy when you are lazy. Finally, I am ending this session with the great words of Swami Vivekananda: arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is reached. Fix your goal today. All the best. Thank you very much.
Let's take the next group of thanks.
I extremely very happy. The day I told to sir is a career counseling expert. For your knowledge, he was the Chaitanya's over India head, where he used to teach the various types of teachers. Like he gives the training to the teachers. She is a career counseling expert. The first day I told that, sir, I am having one career counseling session for my society. And the first day only he thought that, sir, I am always with you. Like what and all different type of IT related work which we require, everything was done by him. So like, he gave his complete day. Day before yesterday he came to my house until night 10:30 or 11:30, 10:30 or 11 o'clock he was there. One day complete night he was there so that he can synchronize with the program. What do people think? What is your mentality? How I should convince myself? How much I should go? So you want to know that this presentation what came to you before that 2 times trained in front of me. So that is really appreciable. Thank you so much for my contribution.
His points were keep dreaming. So always you must keep dreaming, irrespective of what kind of work you are doing, what you are studying.
बचपन से ही देखा है। मेरे माता पिता का मानना था कि ज्ञान वो
देखिए, मैं कोई ज्ञानी नहीं हूं, पर ज्ञान का प्रेमी जरूर हूं। मैं कोई साइंटिस्ट नहीं हूं, पर लाइफ में एक्सपेरिमेंट जरूर करना हूं और उससे सीखता भी हूं। मेरे विचार एप्रीहेंशन से नहीं, ऑब्जर्वेशन से बनते। शिक्षा का महत्व मैंने बचपन से ही देखा है। मेरे माता पिता का मानना था कि ज्ञान वो इन्वेस्टमेंट है जिसका डिविडेंड यानी मुनाफा जीवन के अंत तक मिलता रहता है। मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि एक सामान्य जिंदगी जीने के लिए इंसान को रोटी कपड़ा और मकान के अलावा अगर किसी चीज की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत होती है तो वो है शिक्षा, एजुकेशन। आपके पास यदि धन है तो आप उसे गोल्ड में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। धन हो या सोना, दोनों के कम होने का या खो जाने का डर हो सकता है, पर यही धन को अगर हम नॉलेज में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो वो कभी कम नहीं होगा और ना ही उसकी चोरी हो सकती। मनी, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एनीवन कैन स्टील, बट नॉलेज कैन नॉट बी स्टोलन फ्रॉम यू। देखिए, जीवन में मुझे बहुत सी बातों ने प्रभावित किया है। मेरे ये अनुभव सुनने में शायद साधारण लगे, पर इनमें छिपा सार असाधारण है, अनमोल है। यदि मैं आपसे पूछूं कि सबसे शक्तिशाली व्यक्ति कौन है, सबसे शक्तिशाली व्यक्ति कौन है, तो कोई कहेगा कि जिसके पास पावर है, वेपन्स हैं, शस्त्र है, धन है, किसी देश का राजा या किसी सल्तनत का वारिस है। मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि वेपन्स, मनी किसी को पावरफुल नहीं बनाते हैं, या अगर बनाते भी हैं तो कुछ समय के लिए ही बना पाते हैं। दौलत आज होगी, कल नहीं। शस्त्र का ज्ञान तभी तक काम आएगा जब तक वो शस्त्र चल सकता है। Once it is used, it becomes obsolete. पर शास्त्र का ज्ञान कभी नहीं रुकता. Knowledge can never be obsolete. शास्त्र ज्ञान शस्त्र ज्ञान से ज्यादा असरदार, प्रभावशाली और शक्तिशाली होता है. अब देखिए, एक राजा ने कितने राज्यों पर विजय प्राप्त की, कौन कौन से शस्त्रों का इस्तेमाल किया, कितने सैनिक थे, ये शायद आपको याद न हो. पर जीरो की खोज किसने की? बल्ब का आविष्कार किसने किया? राष्ट्रगान किसने लिखा? ओथेलो, मैकबेथ की रचना किसने की? ये आपको जरूर याद रहेगा. इतिहास गवाह है कि एक राजा अपनी शक्ति के बल पर केवल वहीं तक पूजा जाता है जहां तक उसका साम्राज्य फैला होता है. वो केवल अपनी प्रजा का प्रिय होता है. पर अपने ज्ञान की कीर्ति फैलाने वाले अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, विलियम शेक्सपियर, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर सिर्फ अपनी जन्मभूमि में ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व में पूजे जाते हैं. संपूर्ण मानव जाति के लिए वो प्रेरणा स्रोत बनते हैं. इसलिए आप सबसे मेरा आग्रह यही है कि सीखते रहिए. ज्ञान का धनी व्यक्ति हमेशा ही सम्मान और आदर योग्य होता है, क्योंकि ज्ञान वो कवच है, वो शील्ड है जो आपके जीवन में आने वाली कठिनाइयों से आपकी रक्षा करेगा. फिर किसी भी शस्त्र की आपको आवश्यकता नहीं होगी. Never stop learning, because learning never stops.
Now coming back to the guest number 1, Manju ji and Maan ji, as they do not attend this session, they are a virtual session pre-recorded video. Both are the first couple in our society who are both posted in government sectors. Manju from Shukla, daughter of Sriram ji, have done graduation from very popular lady Sriram College. Standard 5th has become English lecturer and is wide achievement. Goes to the couple. Now let's listen to them what message they are saying to us.
Principal in a government school, Congress मंजू जी देवासी, राजस्थान तहसीलदार सेवा से आप आरटीए तहसीलदार है. कार्यक्रम में मौजूद सभी. बेंगलुरु में मानवीय सेवा समाज सेवा भवन में जो ये प्रथम वर्कशॉप, सेमिनार या गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम रखा गया है गीता 2023 के नाम से, तो सर्वप्रथम तो माइक्रो होते हैं कि आपने इस प्रकार का इनोवेटिव स्टेप सोचा जो कि विद्यार्थियों के जीवन में करियर के लिए और उच्च स्तरीय अध्ययन की सिलेक्शन में बहुत ही